ChatGPT and AI technology has brought a lot of hype to the crypto and AI token space. A lot of coins are up 10x plus since the end of last year. Is now a good time to buy? Let's find out in this video. So ChatGPT and Bard hype have driven up AI tokens gains by up to 16x. We can see that the DBC's token surged in price by 16x from November, which is when ChatGPT launched. And a total of 8 major tokens were largely impacted by this launch. So is now a good time to buy when AI technology is all the hype, or is it a little bit too late to get in? Let's find out. So we can see here DBC has a circulating supply of 3.2 billion coins, max supply of 10 billion coins, and they were founded in November 2017 with the vision of building an infinitely scalable, distributed high-performance computing network based on blockchain technology and to become the most important infrastructure in the 5G plus era. So essentially, everything in humanity is moving towards the age of intelligence, and they want to be the biggest player in the crypto space. So the AI race is a computing power race, essentially. Solving the problem of computing power and supply and demand and rewarding computing power is imminent. DBC hopes to build an infinitely scalable distributed high-performance computing network through blockchain technology to achieve cost reduction and efficiency improvement of AI computing power worldwide, promote the popularization and democratization of AI computing power, and accelerate the arrival of the era of AI intelligence. So we can see here that this massive dump after the pre-IPO or pre-ICO, but we can see this huge pump from the end of November here when ChatGPT was launched. There's a massive correlation to the stock or the crypto token price of DBC and the launch of ChatGPT. So, is it a good time to buy right now? What else do they do? Let's go ahead, and if you scroll up on CoinMarketCap and you click on their website from here, it takes you to here. The main network of DBC GPU has been launched. We can learn a little bit more about their project by going to their white paper, or maybe let's click About Us. You can see some of their partners here about us. Their vision is to build an infinitely scalable, distributed, high-performance computing power network, like we talked about earlier. And if we go ahead and click on their white paper here, what we can do is from here, so they're already the world's largest AI computing network. They have 20 more cloud platforms built based on DBC's computing network. So people are currently building on DBC. And if you look at the white paper, it basically impacts or overlines their vision and how they're going to implement the technology of this project. So if you guys want to learn how to read white papers, let me know. But I used to read a lot of white papers back in the day. And it's not necessarily important to read the whole thing, but this can give you an idea of their vision, the intro, their platform. So if you want to know the exact specifics about this project, definitely check out their white paper here. And we can see that the cost can be just 30% of the user's self-built neural network server and less than 50% of the traditional artificial intelligence centralization cloud computing platform. So a big thing is they're aiming to provide all industries with low-cost, private, and secure high-performance computing power. A lot of businesses have access to high computing power, but they pay a lot for it. It's not secure. It's centralized. There's a bunch of issues with it. So let's take a look at the chart. On TradingView here, we can see that if we literally take just from the beginning of January, forget when even ChatGPT launched, if you were just to invest in the beginning of January in DBC and sell at the peak, you'd be up almost 700% currently. So do I necessarily think it's a good time to buy? No, I think all stocks in crypto have had a massive run up, and it's not like the fundamentals have necessarily changed a lot. I just think AI got a lot of hype, and that pushed it to the mainstream, as well as the overall market bouncing. So these coins are going to be up more than the overall market. Do I think DBC is a legit project that could do well into the next cycle? I think yes. It depends on what the narrative is, right? Last cycle, the narrative was DeFi, layer 2, right? The cycle before that, there was a ton of ICO, and it was a big scam wave. Let's see what the narrative is once we actually push into a real bull market. Bitcoin's next halving is in 2024. So I'm really interested to see what happens after the halving and maybe even leading up into the halving. So for the rest of this year, if you do want to get exposure to crypto, definitely do your own research. This isn't financial advice. Check out what projects you want to invest in and come up with a strategy to invest in them. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Like, comment, and subscribe with the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.